Eufy is a reliable name in the world of cameras and is often considered a practical choice when it comes to the matter of indoor surveillance and monitoring. Recently, we got our hands on Eufy's brand new indoor cam S350 and have been using it for a while now. So in our video today, we're going to talk about what's new in this camera, the features it comes with, and give you an overall rundown regarding how it works. So without further ado, let's begin. At this point, we're well familiarized with the boxing of Eufy cameras, and the indoor cam S350 does not disappoint. The box it came in looks clean and compact with a white and blue theme and has the specs of the camera printed on it, which makes it easy to get an idea on the capability of the camera. Flip the box open and we are greeted with the cam itself, a USB cable, power adapter, wall mount, positioning sticker, screw pack, and of course, the quick start guide. The design of the Eufy cam is similar to the tried and tested design of Eufy in general, with an overall clean and white aesthetic that's pleasing to the eyes. Right off the bat, we can see a wide angle and a telephoto lens sitting side by side with the microphone in between. Under the camera layout, we'll find a microSD slot, and under that, we can see the status indicator LED. Flip it and you'll find a speaker sitting conveniently at the back portion. And when flipped upside down, there's a sync button and of course the power input. Eufy always had a penchant for designing cameras that blend the line between practicality and aesthetics, and the indoor cam S350 is no exception. One of the most noticeable things about the Eufy cam indoor cam S350 is the dual camera system that can capture and preserve crystal clear 4K videos with a full 360 degrees pan and tilt, effectively covering a large area from the surveillance point, alongside having a 2K telephoto lens that works perfectly alongside the primary camera. As the primary camera, the 4K wide-angle lens provides an unrestricted 4K resolution live stream, while the 2K telephoto lens works in tandem to provide up to 3 times optical zoom and up to 8 times digital zoom. While we could easily place the camera on tabletops or generally in the corner of the room to get a full-fledged view of the whole area, the included wall mount, while not a necessity, takes things up a notch and gave us the full freedom to use the camera from any angle we want, effectively eliminating the smallest possibilities of a blind spot. With dual f-stop 1.6 aperture, the camera allows the entrance of 20% more light, which enabled us to make out faces in the dark from a distance, a feature we found to be super useful in terms of nighttime surveillance. However, it gets more intuitive as we download the app on our phone, so let's try it out. After installing the dedicated app on our phone, we unlock the ability to tinker with the 360-degree pan and 75-degree tilt ability. As you can see, usually with normal cameras with their average FOV and angling, our good friend John right here would not be visible. But thanks to the increased field of view, 360-degree coverage, and of course by properly lining the camera through our app, John has no place he can hide. Then again, the best, or at least the most convenient feature we found in the camera had to be the ability to assign up to 4 favorite areas with one default position to cover. This way, we can easily and almost effortlessly switch and check those spots with just a single click, while also being able to set the camera to auto cruise to randomly shift those positions. Now, while all that sounds good and practical, what sets the indoor cam S350 apart is the inclusion of smart AI tracking. This feature can intelligently adjust the position of the camera automatically, which, as you can see, helped us to keep our good friend over there in the field of view regardless of where he goes in the room. However, you do need to enable that first since it's turned off by default. It can detect pets too. According to Eufy, the detection range at this maximum sensitivity for humans can reach up to 9 meters or 30 feet and 6 meters or 20 feet for pets. Eufy does one better by providing a dedicated privacy mode, which you can manually activate through the device's homepage or by setting a schedule. Upon activation, the camera turns back to face the wall or find a blind spot and turns itself off until the privacy mode is turned off. Last but not least, the Eufy indoor cam in terms of connectivity provides dual band Wi-Fi 6 that can be toggled between 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz at will, prioritizing the strongest connection. In a nutshell, the Eufy indoor cam S350 ticks a lot of the right boxes, which makes it a solid choice for an indoor camera or for anyone who prefers quality surveillance over a large indoor space. Combine all those features into a compact camera that not only looks good, but gave us the ability to schedule time from the security settings in order to turn the whole process autonomous. The IndoorCam S350 is a camera that's purposefully built for people who prefer their privacy. Functional, reliable, and chock full of advanced features such as smart AI tracking and telephoto zoom lens, makes the Eufy indoor camera a delightful and of course reliable choice for people who want no compromises in terms of surveillance without the hustle and bustle of technological complications. The user-intuitive features that Eufy perfected over the years reflect perfectly on their latest camera, and we could not be more comfortable with it. A good indoor security camera in general can provide peace of mind and in turn an improved level of security. Alongside remote access that can provide us real-time monitoring, Eufy IndoorCam S350 made sure we kept our eyes on our property even when we weren't there, ensuring safety and security. The crisp and clear details, kudos to the 4K camera, AI capability, and dual hybrid zoom was more than enough to identify any would-be perpetrators, alongside to be aware of any accidental mishaps that have the possibility to occur. Couple that up with a simple and easy to understand app that even kids can operate, the $130 price tag sounds too good to be true. And it's kinda hard to suggest a better indoor surveillance camera than the S350. If you're thinking about upgrading your surveillance suite, the IndoorCam S350 is more than a worthy candidate and a camera that has an almost unreal value for money. We highly encourage you to check out the EufyCam S350 if you want an upgrade to your overall surveillance system, and of course, thanks for watching.